Welcome to the Attosecond Research Center at Politecnico di Milano. Our research activity is focused on the application of attosecond pulses to the study of ultrafast dynamics, from few tenths of femtosecond down to the attosecond time scale in atoms, molecules, and condensed matter.
In Factory Laboratory, we exploit tunable extreme ultraviolet radiation with time duration of the pulses down to 5 femtoseconds. Here we do time-resolved investigation of ultrafast molecular dynamics. The feature of the laboratory is the time delay compensated monochromator for extreme ultraviolet radiation. This allows us to select just one harmonic out of the comb of the generated via high harmonic generation, still preserving a very short time duration down to 5 femtoseconds. With this time and energy resolution, we perform pump probe experiments in gas phase. Currently, we are developing tunable sources in the ultraviolet spectral region with a few femtosecond time duration. The aim is to combine these sources with the time delay compensated monochromator for UV pump XUV probe experiments.
The Helical laboratory was created thanks to an ERC Advanced grant. The aim is to experimentally demonstrate attosecond coherent control of matter with a particular emphasis on molecule of biological interest. The beamline has been designed to generate these attosecond pulses with a high photon flux in the XUV range. The lab is equipped with a homemade biomolecular source which allows us to bring the sample of study into the gas phase. At this point, we shine these flashes of extreme ultraviolet light on the molecule, leading to its ionization and triggering the electronic motion. This motion is then detected and probed with a few femtosecond infrared pulses.
The Audace laboratory is financed by an ERC starting grant and is dedicated to the study of attosecond dynamics in solids, with specific focus on advanced and 2D materials. These solid-state systems are emerging as possible candidates to overcome the limitations of current electronic devices. Audace aims at studying these dynamics in terms of spin, exciton, and electronic dynamics in the sub-femtosecond timescale. Within the Audace project, we have developed a brand new beamline, which allows us to perform attosecond measurements in solids with a 2-Foci geometry. In the first interaction region, we perform pulse characterization by means of attosecond streaking measurements. The experiment itself takes place simultaneously in the second interaction region, in an attosecond absorption or reflectivity apparatus. The 2-Foci geometry allows for a precise and absolute calibration of the delay between the two employed pulses.
And we have more coming. Within the ERC Synergy Grant Tomato, a brand new research activity is starting, aiming at studying electron dynamics in complex molecules, particularly focusing on charge migration and charge transfer processes with a particular emphasis on organic photovoltaics. The new dedicated beamline will feature the combination of few femtosecond UV visible pulses with attosecond pulses ranging from the XUV to the soft X-ray region of the spectrum. And it will be equipped with time-resolved X-ray absorption spectroscopy as well as time-resolved photoemission spectroscopy. So stay tuned!